I say to myself, I'm such a lucky guy to have a girl like her. It's truly a dream come true. Out of all of the fellas in the world, she belongs to me. A family, a cozy little home out in the country with 2 children, maybe 3. I tell you why, I can visualize it all. This couldn't be a dream, but too real it all seems. But it was just imagination. Once again, running away with me. Running away with me. Just my imagination. Running away with me. Can't stand, I want you. Tell me that you never let go, and you really, really rock my world. 'Cause you are my pretty diamond and pearl. You are my pretty diamond and pearl. Yeah, she want me, want me, want me. She wanna put it on me. So she step up on the dance floor and she grind up on me. Well, let me take your body and just give me your hand, and let me rock your body to the break of dawn. Just imagination. Once again, running away with me. Running away with me. But it was just imagination. Once again, running away with me. Just my imagination. Running